I have a Tecumseh motor at 160-170-007-8B. I would like to replace it with a new motor similar in size, footprint and shaft size and length.
Hi, my name is XXXXX XXXXX. I'm going to help you with getting the info on your engine. The engine is a 16 horsepower now. Depending on what the engine is on can determine the shaft. Like they were used on generators and they would have a tapered shaft. If it's on a tractor it most likely has a 1-inch thick shaft and the length would have to be measured. What type of equipment is the motor on? I also found a great parts breakdown. A lot of people on message boards say the Tecumseh oh160 is a great motor and worth rebuilding. I'm not sure what's wrong with yours, but it's an option. Briggs & Stratton might have the best replacement. But first I need to know, is this motor on a generator or tractor? John, http://www.partstree.com/parts/?LC equals Tecumseh and MN equals O.H. 161700778B and DN equals A01201170078BN.
The motor is used on an Argo ATV with a clutch similar to the one used on a snowmobile. The number 1700778B, the spec number for the parts.
It's going to have a 1-inch keyed shaft. It's Tecumseh part number 33393A, but they do not tell the length. As far as bolt pattern, any larger horizontal shaft engine will have the same bolt pattern to mount the engine.
What model would recommend?
I would use a Briggs & Stratton for a few reasons. You can get parts easily because they still are in business. They offer a full line of things from carb kits to gaskets, etc., where a lot of companies are using motors that do not offer much parts or product support. There is a website called Small Engine Warehouse. I will see what motor is best to replace your old one, John. http://www.vanguardengines.com/engines/v twin% 20 horizontal/16 gross HP v twin HS/ that is a good Briggs engine long as the shaft sizes match up, etc.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.